Weather coverage you can count on with Alabama's weather anchor of the year, WAAY 31's chief meteorologist Kate McKenna.
Well, WAAY 31 storm tracker early warning radar network showing a lot of rain all the way from Tennessee all the way down into central Alabama and beyond. Now for North Alabama, we've got a band of severe thunderstorm warnings just off to our southwest in a segment here that is just right along the southern fringes of Franklin and Lawrence counties. There's still a lot of lightning embedded within just the plain old rain. The wind is starting to die down, and this is the area that's worth watching for us. And I point this out to you for a couple of reasons, but the main reason being that we have seen some signs of broad rotation within this segment, and you can see that kind of little squiggly part of the line there through Winston County all the way farther towards the southwest. Now this is tracking eastward at about 35 to 40 miles per hour, so it's going to be in Simcoe by 11:06. Very northern portion of Cullman County, southern fringes of Morgan County, and it's going to continue that track out into Marshall County. If we're just looking at the winds data here, so red is wind blowing away from the radar, green is wind blowing towards the radar, inbound wind. And if you look at this, you can see those little squiggles in the line. So again, it's broad rotation. That's all. The storms today have really had a hard time organizing in the sense that, yes, we've had some damaging wind, but not much in the way of that tornado threat realized within northwest Alabama or beyond. So here's a wider look at all of the rain I told you that extends farther southwest. Look at that line of severe thunderstorm warnings. Another tornado warning there near Birmingham. And we'll keep an eye on this for you as we go through the rest of tonight because the storms are not going to be done anytime soon. The back edge of this is just now starting to move into northwest Alabama. A little bit of good news for you, and that's the fact that we only have 4 counties still in the severe thunderstorm watch, and it does last for another 45 minutes or so, but it continues for Madison, Morgan, Lawrence, and Limestone counties. No longer seeing that tornado watch to our west or to our north. Rainfall totals, they've been decent so far. Look at the scale up here. So about 3 inches of rain right along that yellow kind of orange colored table. Colbert County seeing some locations there likely getting closer to 3 inches at this point in time. Still just starting to see the rain adding up farther toward the east. And there's the rain covered camera lenses all across North Alabama on the WAAY 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. Temperatures cooling into the lower 60s. But look at Gunnersville. The rain's just starting to pick up. We're only still at the 70-degree mark. Through the rest of tonight, let's watch the eastward progress with these storms. So there's 11 o'clock, now all the way to midnight. And once we get closer to 2 o'clock in the morning, the strongest part of these storms is going to be well east of the area. And what we end up with is kind of a broken line of showers, still a few rumbles of thunder just ahead of the cold front that's going to be moving through. As we get into now 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, those lingering showers, they continue to push eastward, and we are back to a mainly quiet picture early Thursday morning, but the temperatures are cooler from start to finish. Early in the morning behind this front, 6 o'clock, temperatures in the 40s and 50s. By the afternoon, your highs, they're closer to average. They're not in the lower 80s, but it will be a struggle for us to get to the 70-degree mark. So just to drive this point home, your bus stop forecast temperatures in the lower 50s, heading off to school, still mostly cloudy. Coming home from school, we've got some sunshine, clouds starting to break up, and a temperature near 70 degrees. Now for the 7-day forecast, there's a little bit to mention here in regard to some continued rain chances. Tomorrow, it's that 10% chance for a shower early in the morning. Morning cloud cover, afternoon sunshine, temperatures in the lower 70s. For Friday, it is warmer back into the upper 70s, slightest chance for a shower or a rumble of thunder. Now, as we get into the weekend, there is still some disagreement about the exact timing and placement of the showers and storms, but it does not look like either day is going to be totally dry. So there is that 40% chance on Saturday, that 30% chance on Easter Sunday. Temperatures are going to be cooler by the beginning of next week. Look at this, a 40% chance for showers and storms on Monday, and then we're back into the mid 60s for highs on Tuesday.